Template Inspector by DiRoots tools will help easily track and clean unused objects in your Civil 3D projects. So basically this tool, it inspects your template. So what you can see here is we have layers selected and it'll tell you what is used or unused. And you can switch to line types, dimension styles, etc. I can change my text styles to what I want really quickly. So I can highlight here, and let's say I want to change all the Civil 3D ones. I can come here, highlight, and pick this and change them to CLT. Really easy, really simple.